Hey, how's it going, everyone? Today's video is for people working in manufacturing analytics, and we're going to check out a post from my man Kumar Singh. You can see he's an expert in AI, data, analytics, among other things, and he's based in Boston. So if you want more awesome content like this, make sure to go to LinkedIn and check him out. And we're going to go over this list here of the hierarchy of manufacturing systems. So if anybody's looking to structure their manufacturing analytics program, these are the terms you need to use, and I'm going to show you how to pronounce them using American English. So here we go. Enterprise level. Enterprise level. Plant level. Plant level. Cell or system level. Cell or system level. Machine level. Machine level. Device level. Device level. So there you go. Now you have the way to pronounce these with a clear and natural American sound, so you can start doing it right away, and you just boosted up your English.